Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito yung part 3 ng reading ninyo for 2026. So, this is about your love life and family. Ayan, so titingnan natin ang energy ng inyong buhay pag-ibig ngayong 2026. Unahan ko na kayo ha, baka may mag-comment na naman dyan. Ayoko ng love life, gusto ko ng career, kaperahan. Wag mo tong panoorin kasi nga nakalagay na nga love life eh. So, ibig sabihin focus to sa love life. Ang interpretation natin sa mga cards may kinalaman sa love life. Okay? Because that's the intention na sinet natin for this reading. Ngayon, kung gusto mo ng career, kaperahan, meron tayong ibang reading para dyan. Hanapin mo na lang, nandyan yan, nakapost somewhere. Kasi nauna na yon. Okay? Yun yung part 2. Okay? Ayan. So, para to sa mga interesado sa love life. Okay, alam ko maraming mga Capricorn na ayaw na nila sa love life. Focus sila sa kaperahan. And that's okay. Pero meron din naman, gusto pa rin naman ng love life. So, hayaan na lang natin sila, ha? Okay. So, paalala lang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo ha para mag-offer ng mga kung ano-anong services, pampaswerte or kaya pang kung ano-anong anting-anting, spells, whatever. Kayo po ang mag-message sa akin for a private reading. Okay, meron tayong link sa description o kaya sa comment section. Kasi merong mga nagre-re-upload ng videos ko, nagpapanggap sila ng Mystic Queen PH, pero mangsascam lang sila ng ibang tao. So, mag-ingat sa mga ganon, ha? Pag nag-message sa inyo, nag-o-offer, scam yun. Oo. Sabihin, nabasa ko sa aura mo na kailangan mo ng ganitong kinemerut. Ay, hindi yun totoo. Huwag kayong ganon. Huwag kayong magpaano doon. Pa-scam. Okay? So, let's begin. Capricorn. Baka magalit na sa akin ng nagmamadali dyan. Dami ko daw ads. Pwede naman, wag na kayo manood. Ganun lang naman. Love life. Oh, ayan na. Notice patterns that suggest it's time to delete. Oy, may i-delete ka. Unwanted memories, random thoughts, and intense feelings urge you to shred the remnants of your past. Ayun na. Tinatanggal mo na, dinidelete mo na, dinidissolve mo na yung anything na mga tira-tira dyan from your past. Yung iba kasi dyan, kahit hiwalay na, sige, babasahin nyo pa rin yung mga sweet messages nyo from 10 years ago, from 5 years ago, 2 years ago. Tapos na eh. Iba yung feeling niya sa'yo 2 years ago, 3 years ago, sa ngayon. So, it's time to let go. Kasi, wala, malaki na yung nagbago. Oo. Kailangan na focus ka sa sarili. I feel my life is in turmoil and I don't know how to calm it. Whatever can break has broken. But the one thing that remained strong was our love. Wow! Okay, may lumalaban. May lumalaban dito. Maaring umaasa pa, no? Sa pwede ikaw, umaasa ka pa na magkakaayos kayo. But, however, dalawa kasi yung energy rito na, yung isa umaasa, yung isa ayaw na. 'Di ba? So, it takes two to tango. Hindi yan magwo-work. Kailangan pareho kayo ng energy. 'Di ba? For each other. Realizing the need for change. Oh, 'di ba? At least na-realize mo na ngayon. Diba? Realizing the need for change and striving for karmic justice. The path of solitude reveals truths unseen in the company of others. See? Oh, meron ka na realization na okay, it's time to let go. It's time to close the chapter of the book or to close the book. Kasi tapos na yung book. May panibago ka ng book. 'Di ba? Na i-create na may bagong memories for you. So, karmic justice is also whatever needs to be done, no? Kung ano yung dine-deserve ng isang tao, yun ay i-deliver na, no? So, kung ikaw ay niloko ng person mo, o rest assured, meron niyang divine karmic justice. Okay? Kung ikaw naman yung may kalokohan, o rest assured, magkakaroon niya ng divine karmic justice. So, it's a lesson that we all have to learn, no? Oo, ganun naman ang life. Lessons yan. Puro lesson na kailangan matutunan. Good or bad, at least you learned something. no? Okay. Young female, sino to? Baka ito yung energy mo. Or the person that you're dealing with. Nako, Capricorn, ang daming involved. Baka yung iba sa inyo rito, meron kayong iba't ibang ini-entertain sa buhay nyo. Ayan. Na yung iba sa inyo pwedeng napag-uusapan na sa trabaho, na bakit ganon, may mga iba't ibang taong nagiging connected sa inyo. So, you have to set boundaries, no? Pagdating sa relationship. And even if, halimbawa, buhay mo yan eh, 'di ba? So, hayaan mo na lang sila na hindi mo na makokontrol yan eh, yung mga taong nagchichismis sa'yo. So, focus on yourself. Ano man yung alam ko naman ako ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon sa relationship, connections mo. You have a purpose kung bakit. And I think, which is you should know, na lahat ng consequences niyan, yung effect niyan sa'yo, it will be served, kumbaga. The Chariot. Meron kang block na obstacle dito. Yung iba talaga hindi pa naka-move on. Oo. Yung bang parang, gusto mo na mag-move on pero wala ka pang lakas ng loob na mag-move forward. Ito na yung divine justice. Kasi feeling mo hindi fair. Yung bang parang ang moving on kasi is like forgiving yourself, forgiving the situation. Kasi malalaman mo na, sabi mo, naka-move on na ako, ganyan. Hindi mo na nga siya pinupursue, pero you still want, like, andun pa yung energy niya na kailangan ganito yung mangyari sa kanya kasi niloko niya ako, may ginawa siyang kalokohan sa akin. That is also a manifestation na hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. Let the justice and karma happen kung kailan yan gustong mangyari ng universe, ni God, no? Kasi ikaw lang yung mabibigatan sa burden na yan. Mahihirapan ka mag-move on kung lagi mong iniisip, kailan ba siya kakarmahin? 'Di ba? It's none of our business kung karmahin siya o hindi. Okay? Iba yung magsaserve noon sa kanya, hindi tayo. So, ikaw, you are the one who is responsible for your life on how to move on and how to move forward. Yung iba sa inyo kasi may influence sa paligid nyo. Pwedeng may mga nagchuchuchu sa inyo. Yung mga hindi totoong kaibigan na sasabi, ay, ganito dapat magalit ka sa kanya, ganito yung gawin mo. Pahirapan mo yan. 'Di ba? So, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Page of Wands. Energetic powerhouse. So, ito na, finally. Magkakaroon ka na ng excitement sa mga bagong chapter ng buhay mo na nagbubukas. You are finally planning and executing yung mga actions na gagawin mo. Hindi ka na yung parang, move on ba ako? Gaganti ba ako? Anong gagawin ko? So, you now know yung direction na dapat mong tahakin. 'Di ba? Just like you, I'm always doing some form of mission. My energy and wisdom supports those around me. So you, kumbaga for you, alam mo na meron kang mission na kailangan i-fulfill. Not just for you, but also like para sa tao sa paligid mo. Like mag-share ka ng knowledge mo, ng skills mo based sa mga experiences mo. We are alchemists. We transform fear into love and shadow into light. Isa kang alchemist. So, sabi dito, transforming fear into love, shadow into light. Anything negative na energy, kaya mong i-transform into something positive. Kasi why would you dwell into something na magkukonsume lang sa'yo? 'Di ba? Focus on something that will make you grow, will make you improve your life. I feel our energy merging together as if it has a life of its own. We are becoming one again. There is an energy here, can be a person that is someone na kilala mo na in your past, pero hindi kayo nagkaroon ng romantic connection, involvement before. And maaring you will have this realization na maybe this person is, the one na pwedeng, you can have a relationship with. Okay? Or this person is helping you, going to help you to move on. I am listening to my higher self now. A higher power is guiding me. So yes, you are divinely guided, Capricorn, doon sa mga actions or steps na kailangan yung gawin para to finally be in control and in your power when it comes to relationships. Miracles and blessings, everything has its gift. So, I feel like itong realization mo tungkol sa sarili mo is, meron kang, it's like you have a mission or a gift na you can share to others, no? To serve as an inspiration and guidance. Lalo na kung meron silang kaparehong pinagdadaanan or pinagdaanan na kagaya mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.